BLP Solutions, a division of Bishop Lifting Products, specializes in engineering, design, and fabrication of lifting devices. Our engineering team uses Solid Edge 3D modeling and drafting software as well as AutoCAD 2D drafting software. We are able to create custom drawings or work with any customer-supplied drawings to create the finished product. We also use MathCAD to perform calculations and ANSYS software for finite element analysis design validation. We design and fabricate lifting devices according to the ASME below-the-hook design standard, as well as the ASME B30 standards, each specific to different types of lifting equipment. Our fabrication capabilities include CNC machining and CNC flame cutting, welding, plate rolling, and finishing. Our welders are certified to the American Welding Society's D1.1 and D14.1 welding codes. BLP Solutions produces the BLP Ultra line of material and personnel lifting devices. Material handling equipment includes bottle lifters, drum lifters, lifting beams, spreader bars, lifting lugs, and material baskets. Personnel lifting equipment includes personnel lifting baskets, evacuation baskets, and maxi riders, Hydra riders, and Ultra riders. Some of the specialized lifting devices we design and build are hose handling baskets, oil-filled tool baskets, jib cranes, coil hooks, and rigging storage racks. For more information on how BLP Solutions can meet your material and personnel lifting needs, visit our website at lifting.com.